Ready to explore the magic of anchor text and supercharge your rankings? If so, then this video is just what you need. Hello, and welcome to makblogs.com, your success partner. Today, we're going to delve into the world of anchor text and explore how to optimize it for top ranking in search engines. What is anchor text? So, what exactly is anchor text? In simple terms, it's the clickable text in a hyperlink. Anchor text plays a crucial role in telling search engines what a linked page is about. Types of anchor text. There are different types of anchor text. Let's look at a few examples. Exact match anchor text. First, we have exact match anchor text. This is when the anchor text precisely matches the keyword or phrase you're trying to rank for. For instance, if you want to rank for best running shoes, the anchor text would be best running shoes. Partial match anchor text. Next, there's partial match anchor text. This includes variations or partial keywords. For example, top-rated running shoes if you're targeting running shoes. Branded anchor text. Then, there's branded anchor text, which uses your brand name as the anchor. For instance, makblogs.com would be a branded anchor text. Generic anchor text. We also have generic anchor text, which is not specific. Examples are click here or read more. These should be used sparingly. LSI, latent semantic indexing, anchor text. Lastly, there's LSI, anchor text, which includes semantically related terms. For instance, if you're discussing healthy eating, LSI anchor text could be nutritious diet. Now, let's talk about which anchor text to use and when. Best practices, revised with examples. For best results, here are some practices to keep in mind, along with examples to illustrate each point. Use descriptive anchor text that's relevant to the linked content. Example. Instead of click here, use learn more about SEO. Avoid using the exact keyword as your anchor text too frequently, as Google may penalize over-optimization. Example. If your keyword is best running shoes, don't use it in every link, vary it naturally. Make sure your anchor text flows naturally within the context of your content. Example. In a fitness article, top-rated workout gear fits better than buy workout gear. Keep it concise and to the point. Example. Use SEO tips instead of valuable and amazing tips for improving SEO. Ensure consistency in anchor text across your site. Example. If you link to your homepage, use makblogs.com consistently. Don't overdo it. Excessive linking can hurt your SEO. Example. Limit the number of links in your content to maintain a user-friendly experience. Explanation. When it comes to using keywords and anchor text, it's essential to strike a balance. While it's perfectly fine to use keywords to indicate the content's relevance, overusing the exact keyword as your anchor text can appear unnatural and raise red flags with search engines like Google. Conclusion. By using keywords naturally and varying your anchor text, you can maintain a healthy and SEO-friendly approach to anchor text optimization. Thank you for joining us today on makblogs.com. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable insights. If you want to get our exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, contact us now. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep ranking.